So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to use this particular strategy I came up with in order to trade just the BTC USD and the XAUSD. So this strategy is just going to work for just your Bitcoin and the gold pair directly. Like, I have not tested it on any other currency pair, but like I've only been able to test it on the gold and the Bitcoin, and it has been working so perfectly for me. So I won't waste much of your time, and I'll just go straight into what indicators or what particular things we need for this strategy. First thing we have to do is go and click on our Bitcoin chart. So this is our Bitcoin chart, and I'll be using the 4-hour time frame to illustrate this strategy to us at the moment. So we just need two indicators here, which is the moving average and the RSI. So you are just seeing two indicators here, the moving average and the RSI, and I'll give you guys the settings for each of the indicators. So the first thing we have to do is click on the F icon, and you will see the moving average. You click on it. If you don't have it, you just go and add it on your chart, and adding it is not difficult. All you have to do is click on main window, and you will see the list of indicators here to add. And with that, I will go back and show you guys the settings of the moving average. So the period should be 200, the shift should be 0, the method should be exponential, and then you apply to close. Levels, leave the levels the way it is. Time frame, all time frames. Then you should just choose a black color, since it's just one single moving average we'll be using for this strategy, and just make it bold on your chart, so whenever you want to use it, you can, like, it's very visible on your chart. Okay, and when you're done, you just click on done, and you have it on your chart like this. This is how the 200 moving average should be. And for the RSI, you just go back on the F icon. If it's not here, just like mine, click on the main window again and add the relative strength index. The period should be 14, apply to close, and the level should be 30, 70 and 50, and then you leave the color. You can use black or something darker, something that you can easily view on your chart. All right, and then you click done, and you have this on your chart like this. So I'm using the blue color so that I can differentiate the two indicators from themselves. I don't want my chart to just be looking all black indicators and stuff like that. So what we are looking for is a trend breakout, but the trend breakout is not from the main chart. So like, we are not going to be drawing trend lines on the chart already, because we have the moving average indicating to us where price is heading to, right? So what we are just doing here is we're looking for trend breakout on the RSI. It sounds crazy, it sounds technical, it sounds creepy, but if you stay close to this video, you would understand how exactly I used this strategy. So before I continue, I just want you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the like button, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you would always get notified when I drop a new video. So let's move on. So as I was saying, all you have to do with RSI is spot out a trend line, and then we are looking for a trend breakout. So when we spot the trend breakout, wherever the trend breaks out from on the RSI indicator, we immediately enter our buys and our sells on our main chart, and then we set our stop loss and our take profit. I'll give you an example. So looking at this chart here, we can see that price broke out of the moving average on the main chart like this. So price broke out of the moving average from here, and it's continued going up, right? So it has indicated that price has changed from a downtrend now to an uptrend, right? So once we spot a change of trend on the main chart with the 200 moving average, which is a very powerful moving average to help you spot out where price is heading to, then we just come to our RSI, and what are we looking for? Like I said, we are looking for a trend breakout. So we just use our trend line and connect the points on the RSI, and then we look for a breakout. This was one trend because price touched it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So price touched it more than twice, indicating that this is a strong trend, and it was going down. And you can see that immediately there was a breakout. Where did the breakout occur? This is where the breakout occurred. If you took your trade from here where the breakout occurred, you will have been able to ride the chart up to this area, right? You'll have been able to ride the chart to this area up, and it will even be able to give you a 5-to-1 or a 3-to-1 or whatever, because if your stop loss was here slightly below the low point, this trade will have given you a 3-to-1 or even a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So this is what price will have given you if you took the trade from that spot. So right now I'll give you another example for the buys on this same chart. So this was another example here. You can see price touched it once, twice, and it touched it the third time, indicating that this was a strong trend to the downside. The breakout occurred somewhere around here. So if you took this trade from here and you rode it up, you'll have been able to make even a 7-to-1 or even a 5-to-1 or a 3-to-1. So you can see this strategy is very easy to understand and very easy to implement on your chart. So you can see what price did here. If you took this trade from that area, you would have been able to make even a 3-to-1, a 5-to-1, or even a 7-to-1, because this strategy can be able to give you a very high risk to reward ratio if you know how to just apply the simple instructions I'll be showing you guys in this video. All I just want you guys to indicate is you shouldn't try to force a trade. You shouldn't try to look for a trade by all means. Just make sure you spot a good trend line on your RSI and you're good to go. Just wait patiently. Patience is just all you need to take the best trades. Wait patiently and seek for a breakout, and once you spot that breakout, just enter the trade immediately, set your stop loss and your take profit, and you are done. I've shown you guys some buy examples, so let me show you guys some sell examples with the gold pair. So now this is a good example right here. You can see this trend line here. Immediately the breakout occurred somewhere around here, we would have taken the trade sell position immediately and allowed it to play down. This trade alone would have been able to give you the same 3-to-1, 5-to-1, 7-to-1, 10-to-1 sell, because this was more like a sniper entry. Immediately the breakout occurred, price just kept on going down and down and down. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see immediately we took the price from here, we took the trade from here, and we allowed the trade to play out. This trade will have given you a 3-to-1 or even a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This is the reason why I say this strategy can be able to give you a very high risk to reward ratio if you are able to implement the right instructions I just give you. So the first thing I need you guys to jot down is make sure that you don't force trades with this strategy. That is one. And then the second one is always be patient to wait for a breakout. Don't just assume that price is going to break out and then you just blindly go in for your trade. Make sure you wait patiently to be able to spot out a very strong breakout. And the third one is make sure you're taking trades in accordance with your moving average. So if the moving average is telling you that this is a downtrend, you're not expected to be looking for buy trades, because this is a downtrend. Price is literally just going down, and you looking for buy trades is like you're putting yourself in risk, you're putting your capital in risk. So take trades that match what your moving average is telling you to do. So that is the third one. And then the fourth one is always make sure that you apply good risk management to whatever trade you're taking with this strategy. So because I said this strategy can give you a good high risk to reward ratio, then you just go blindly and then take a trade with all your capital, and then you reach all your capital, and then you take a loss, and then you come back to me and then you're like, my strategy didn't work. Literally, this strategy has been working for me on gold and Bitcoin. So if you want to try it on any other currency pair, it's up to you, but for me, I would advise you to stick to the gold and the Bitcoin pairs. And then I just want you guys to always journal whatever trade you're taking. So whenever you take a trade with this strategy and then you keep on journaling, it keeps on letting you know that this is where you're going wrong with the strategy. You can come back and rewatch before you become perfect with the strategy. And one thing I want you guys to do again for me is, don't just fund an account and then you start trading with this strategy. I want you guys to use a demo account and then you practice on your own to make sure that you are cool with the strategy in order for you to like start practicing on your main account. You cannot just go to your live account straight up and then you start trading, because I have guaranteed you. I'm not guaranteeing anybody. There's nothing guaranteed in Forex. So all you have to do is go and practice with this strategy, and then you can fund your accounts and then start making money with me. With all this, I feel like I'm done with this video. All I want you to do is click the like button, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed before, and then don't forget to hit the notification button as well. See you guys next time.